Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this really sleek, heat-free ponytail. Let's get started. Alright, so, whoa, let's just start here, okay? I mean, seriously, this is 4C hair, straight out of the shower, put into a ponytail, ready to get sleeked up. So, using this Balm Edge Control, I literally found this in my beauty supply store. I'm not sure that you guys will be able to find it. I think it's something new and maybe local. So, I suggest using whichever edge control you guys are most comfortable with. Lately I've been using the Edge Booster, so definitely take that, use it. It works on our hair just fine. If you're about 4B, 4C, anything like me, you should be good. Look at that sleek. Boom, 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 boom. So nice, so cute. Don't worry too much about the waves. This is not going to be the focus of this video. We're just really going to want to focus on getting a super sleek ponytail without having to put heat on it, without having to stretch your hair. My hair is literally wet still, so it's still damp. Definitely a whole lot of moisture on the inside of that ponytail. I just really want to go ahead and get this sleeked up before I go to sleep. That way, tomorrow morning, I'll be able to just kind of add on my ponytail and go. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm adding that to the nape of my neck as well. You guys can kind of see them little waves popping through, okay? I told you guys I'm not going to be doing a big chop, so you guys can see the area where the curls are coming, and then you see those snagged ends that just need to go. So I will be doing another haircut really, really soon, just so that we can continue this little natural process out. And I'm just kind of cutting away the hair slowly, as opposed to doing like a super big chop. So taking my diamond brush just to smooth everything through. You want to kind of go as you can. I'm going to take a wide tooth comb, make sure that I'm constantly combing out the middle of my hair. I even took like a small tooth comb just to really make sure that everything was smooth, and then I went through with the brush just to smooth everything up. So use as little or as much edge control as it takes for you to kind of just get rid of the flyaways. I like to use those double band elastic bands. You can use like a headband that is kind of wrapped around, and yeah, you guys will get a really tight pull on the ponytail, and it will stay in place and kind of sit really, really low against your head. So that's going to be the goal. Once you get that set, you want to go ahead and kind of tame the ends as well. Now's a good time to go ahead and apply maybe some oil or something like that to your hair, just to kind of lock in that moisture if you want. You don't have to, but I don't like to apply to anything to my hair until I have the edge control on there, just because sometimes it can interfere. So boom, now I'm looking like a little Poindexter. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of style up my baby hairs. This is completely optional. Obviously I'm grown, I'm 20. I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but yeah, I have my edge booster, and I'm just going to kind of go around my edges and lay these babies down. I know you guys always ask me, like, how do you get your edges so straight? It's because I start with the edge control and kind of let that sit. So by the time I pull down my edges, they've already been pulled by the edge control that they kind of just lay. So that is my trick. I try not to do the baby hair first and then do the ponytail. I like to smooth my ponytail and then go back and kind of just get it together. So you can do it whatever style you want. I'm not really that... I don't know. I don't get too crazy with it. Just a nice little smooth flow going. Now this little brush that I have, I actually got it from the beauty supply store. I think they're like $2 for $1. So they're really, really cheap and easy to find, hopefully. I hope so. I'm not sure. But I'm smoothing the hair up, and for this video I am teaming up with Nadula. All the hair details will be listed down in my description box below as well, so definitely make sure to check that out. And yeah, I'm just applying a little bit of hairspray and then of course a little bit of hair oil, and we are on our way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie that down and take my behind to bed. Okay, we going to sleep. Good night. YouTube life, girl. It's like microwave, right? So I already have a needle and thread, kind of already needles and threaded. Y'all, I'm so lame. Oh my god. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of fold up my ponytail. I have a rubber band on that. I have my bundle. Boom. She is whipping me in the face. Hold up, baby. Hold up. This is what it looks like. The bundles are really, really full, really soft, really straight, and they match my hair. So we are, when I say match my hair, hold up. Don't come for me in the comments. I mean match my hair color. Okay? So stop with the texture jokes, okay? Anyway, here is the bundle. I'm going to leave it double wefted, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the needle directly through the actual bundle itself. Pull that really, really tight. I'm going to attach that to where I applied that rubber band. Give it something to latch onto. I am not making a knot. I am simply pulling the thread through, looping it around 3 times. It's going to stick. boom, not going anywhere. And you can continue that process going up depending on how tight you wrap this, depending on how long your hair is. I would say every 4 wraps, go ahead and use the thread to actually tack it in place, which is why I laid the thread across my head. That way, as I wrap up, if I do need the thread, it's not going to be lost like somewhere down the bundle. So you guys can see this, but my hair is wrapped up pretty good, so I didn't really need to do anything else from here. So this is going to be my glueless and heat-free way to do that kind of sleek ponytail that is very functional. So as long as you keep the bundle really tight, going all the way up, you should be good. You'll have plenty of coverage. You won't have to worry about anything. This is going to be with 1 bundle. Honestly, I should use 2, but I never do, so don't feel weird about that. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of loop this around, smoothed it down, and yeah, guys, this is pretty much it on this video. I definitely will leave all the details down in my description box below. If you guys have seen me do ponytails before, you guys know it's a really quick and simple process for me. I am going to lay down the base of the unit as well. I'm using my Gotta Be Glue spray, just taking a little bit of that hair from the back. Of course, make sure to cut off the thread if you do have any left. Make sure to cut that off. I'm going to take some of that spray just to kind of hide the base of the ponytail, and we are going to be all set. So this is pretty much it. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you have not already. Nadula, thank you guys so much. I love you. You guys know you're one of my favorite hair companies. You guys, they do have a bunch of holiday deals going on, so you want to make sure to check it out. Any texture is safe, period. If you do not get the straight hair, you can get a body wave, you can get a curly. It's safe. I promise you. This is one of my favorite hair companies. It will be a go-to. If I was going to be selling bundles, they would definitely be a vendor. So this is going to be a good look for me. But outside of that, I'm just going to play some tunes, kind of let y'all rock out for the remaining of this video. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time. Bye, babies.